Okay, I have another lock from Roger. It's an American Series 200. It's a 5-pin. Says US on the back. Okay, the lock does work. It's key retaining. Okay, let's pick it, but we're not going to be able to gut it. Okay, let's use top of the keyway, and let's go all the way to the back. Okay, got a little false set out of pin 5. Got a little bit out of pin 2. Okay, pin 3, and it's open. So that's what we have with Roger's lock. Okay, it's open. Let me go ahead and take the screw out of it. Okay, this is the core in the lock. It has a little pin here that keeps the plug from coming out, and I don't want to try to force these pins out. There's 2 of them, one on each side, to take it apart, and may damage it to do it, so we'll just leave it like it is. Okay, that's what we have in this American Lock Series 200 5-pin. Thank you, and please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. We will put this lock back together and let her stay that way. I did drill the screw out. The head was messed up on it to see if we could gut it, but I'm not going to gut it. Don't want to damage the lock. Okay, there it is, back together. Okay, thank you.